I just spat on my arm. Right there. Accidentally, of course. Because, you know. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go spit on my arm for no reason. No, but a fucking fly, some weird bug, landed on my arm, and I'm like, ah, shit, and I just spat on it. And I'm like, whatever. The rain stopped, finally. I woke up all hot and clammy and gross and stripped down to almost nothing in bed. Yeah. As you can see behind me, I'm on the floor. Woo! On the floor. Bitch. Yep. That's it. That's all in my room. And my computer, of course. Ooh. And doggy. Doggy! I love my doggy. But yeah. So, I plugged in my camera, and my computer didn't blue screen as it usually does. Hurrah! It's 1:50 p.m. Monday. Not even 3 days. Woo! I had like bacon, eggs and tomato on toast this morning, and it's repeating on me. Because I'm sure you all wanted to know. Ointment! Ointment! Woo! It's sort of gone a bit dark now, hasn't it? Yeah. Blah. Nothing much to report. My computer goes Wednesday, so I'll only have my phone for Facebook. And, need to buy some more credit. Yeah. Yeah. Bitch, I'll fuck you up. Violence is wrong. I just remembered that I have to take off all the programs on Mum's computer now. Far out. Oh well, it has to be done. Douchebag. Empty your fucking shit recycle bin, cunt. Ah! I just looked up the definition of hoe on Google. Dig with a hoe. He is hoeing the flower beds. A tool with a flat blade attached at right angles to a long handle. Hoe may refer to various raw food dishes in Korean cuisine, such as sang swan hoe is thinly sliced raw fish or other seafood, seasoned with soy sauce, sesame oil, and Rhine-Weiss. They don't have the real meaning of hoe. No, they don't. What if someone needed to look up hoe and then, like, some poor kid went to school the next day after being called a hoe, and then he's like, I'm not a friggin' Korean cuisine. Bad, bad, bad. Woo! Bad, 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 bad. Mwah.